Tesla breaks the biggest record in history. Tesla is now one among the foremost well-known tech companies. On the other hand, it is almost at an equivalent level, especially when the corporation revealed that its own electric would be released soon. Hello, and welcome to the Tesla News Today. Today, we are going to talk about Tesla breaking all the records in history. A Plaid Tesla Model S has set a replacement production electric lap record at Germany's famed Nürburgring racetrack. CEO Elon Musk said today on Twitter. He said the car used was completely unmodified, directly from the factory. The Plaid Tesla Model S has set the electric lap record with the lap time of 7 minutes 30.909 seconds lap time. The previous record for production electric cars, 7 minutes and 42 seconds, belongs to the Porsche Taycan Turbo. It was set in August 2019. The new record beats the Porsche Taycan's time by nearly 12 seconds. Next are going to be the modified Plaid with added aero surfaces, carbon brakes, and track tires, all things which will be avoided, Tesla being within the loop. Musk added further, in June, Tesla Motors announced that it shelved plans for introducing a Model S Plaid Plus version. The company's CEO Elon Musk made the announcement on Twitter saying, "Plaid is canceled. No need as Plaid Plus is so good." The Tesla Model S Plaid Plus was alleged to push the performance and battery range benchmark of the car to replacement level. It had been said to supply 1,100 horsepower, which would have further slashed the 0 to 100 km/h time. Tesla set a replacement lap record for a production electric vehicle at Germany's famed Nürburgring race course. A brand new Model S Plaid completed the 12.9-mile lap in 7 minutes and 30.9 seconds, beating a record set in 2019 by a Porsche Taycan by 12 seconds. The new record was confirmed by Tesla CEO Elon Musk on Twitter. According to Musk, the Model S Plaid was completely unmodified and directly from the factory. In a follow-up tweet, he said, Tesla would take another crack at the Nürburgring using a modified Plaid with added aero surfaces, carbon brakes, and track tires, all things that can be done without Tesla being in the loop. How important a record this is, often for Tesla, or any automaker for that matter, is certainly up for debate. In setting the initial record, Porsche was basically creating a replacement category during which to compete. As noted by The Verge's motorsports expert Sean O'Kane in 2019, automakers love bragging rights, and therefore the Nürburgring's Nordschleife course is one among the prime battlegrounds. But over the years, the bounds of the track have mostly been explored. Then there's not the maximum amount of rarefied air left for companies who want to say they are the fastest around the 12.9-mile course. This isn't the primary time that Tesla has begun to overcome the green hell. The corporation has run prototype versions of the Model S Plaid around the famous racetrack within the lead-up to its debut as a production model. Those runs weren't attempts to interrupt any records, though, as Elon Musk has called them, opportunities to review and tune the Model S Plaid for safety. The Model S Plaid is powered by a replacement tri-motor drivetrain that collectively puts down around 1,000 horsepower, and therefore the car can reach a top speed of 200 miles per hour, though only outfitted with certain wheels and tires that won't be available until later this year. But expert car reviewers aren't convinced that the Plaid is worth its tag of $130,000. After putting the new Model S through extensive tests, Edmunds concluded that it had been just a marketing exercise designed to draw attention to an aging car. Finally, the assembly version of the Tesla Model S Plaid, unmodified, driven by Adrian Simonson, SCL September 9, 2021, a replacement record for production electric cars on the Nürburgring Nordschleife track, the 20.8-kilometer course in Germany. Plaid's official full lap time is 7 minutes and 35.579 seconds, and a mean speed of 164.615 kilometers per hour, or 102 miles per hour. The note also indicates a time of 7 minutes and 30.909 seconds, and a mean speed of 166.320 kilometers per hour, or 103 miles per hour. Tesla CEO Elon Musk wrote, Tesla Model S Plaid just set an official world speed record for a production electric car at Nürburgring, completely unmodified directly from the factory. Below, we can see a video from the record runs provided by Tourista Nico, who recorded the cars at a few locations along the course. Today, I visited the legendary Nürburgring Nordschleife, as there have been rumors that Tesla is attempting to do a lap record with the all-new Model S Plaid. I managed to film both cars, a black and a red one, and various sections of the racetrack. The previous record for production electric cars, 7 minutes and 42 seconds, belongs to the Porsche Taycan Turbo. It was set in August 2019. Tesla's huge achievement as it roots in 2019 when a prototype of the Plaid reportedly clocked a time of 7 minutes and 13 seconds. Most recently, one among the Plaid cars crashed at the Nürburgring Nordschleife, which indicates that the cars were pushed to their limits. There are still some conventional production models that are quicker, but not that much. 4-seat Mercedes-AMG GT63S, 7 minutes 27.800 seconds, and 2-seat Jaguar XE SV Project 8, 7 minutes 23.164 seconds. Consistent with drive. Significantly better times are set by two-door sports cars or prototype/racing vehicles. So what is your take on this matter? Tell us in the comments. If you want to see our upcoming videos, ring the bell icon and don't forget to like our videos as well. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching.